मेरा कल्ला रह गया है कि रांझे दा विछोड़ा रह गया कि रांझे दा विछोड़ा रह गया.
So that was totally. I didn't know that I had that vocal sound in me. Trust me, until Manmeet and Harmeet, asked me to sing it that way. They said "aise gao," and when I tried it out, they said yes.
I cry at least 2-3 times in a day.
Okay.
I do. I'm emotional, and mostly it's cinema that makes me cry.
Singing right sometimes is like writing a love letter. You know, you write and then you cut the line and then again you rewrite the line. So till you hit the right chord and the right emotion. Wow, I must say that you have a eye to see an actor in us. Nobody really asked us this question, but your questions are very interesting. And hopefully अब आपने हमें motivate कर दिया है सवाल पूछ के.
We all are vulnerable, but we are supposed to ideally overcome that vulnerability. Be able to be in control of how you want to feel. It should not be up to somebody else to make you feel the way you're feeling. It should be up to you, how you want to feel.
Hello and welcome to Awesome TV. First of all, congratulations because Heer Hai Roi is getting amazing views. Have you all read the comments?
Absolutely, I'm really overwhelmed, and thank you so much for the lovely compliment.
Have you read the comments?
Yes. I read a comment where they're saying that the voice rendition of Shivani Kashyap is very different this time.
Yeah.
You know, like her two famous songs is Zinda and Sajna. तो उसमें it's a high pitch, you know, little up there, out there. But ये इसमें थोड़ा मेलो है, emotions हैं, और आजकल पार्टी गाने ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं, ऐसे गाने कम आ रहे हैं. तो suddenly people are reacting very nicely, touch wood.
We always do, because that's the only way to find out where we went wrong or what were our strong points. So it's always important to know कि लोगों को क्या अच्छा लग रहा है नहीं. So I think it's a social media के बहुत disadvantages हैं तो बहुत advantages भी हैं, that you can actually interact with your real audience and find out that you know what they liked and what not.
So the title revolves around Heer Hai Roi. When was the last time when you all cried? Because I just cried while listening to this song.
How sweet! I mean, that is the biggest compliment that one can get when somebody, you know, you can evoke that emotion when somebody cries listening to your song. So I think मेरा तो सफल हो गया. Thank you so much. But yeah, you're right. You know, I think last time सजना अभी जहाँ पे लोग काफी रोए थे, पर उसके बाद इस पे अब रो रहे हैं, मतलब रो रहे हैं in a very good way. So that's a huge compliment for me.
I cried last night only while watching Article 370.
Oh wow.
उसमें जब वो सीन आया कि you know हमारे देश में इतना अच्छा कुछ डेवलपमेंट हुई towards the end, तो I had tears in my eyes. How you know they did it, so the government did it so well. I was touched. I was amazed at how intelligent our leaders are in this country. तो हर आदमी का अलग रीजन होता है. I think
Absolutely.
I cry at least 2-3 times in a day.
Okay.
I do. I'm emotional, and mostly it's cinema that makes me cry. Or when I see somebody like in Insta, you see a lot of accidents and a lot of things which people are doing wrong with people. So when somebody's subjected to extreme cruelty, that makes me cry for sure.
It's good to be expressive, I feel, and we all should be. Heer Hai Roi के साथ हम सब भी रोए. So yeah, definitely. But what I want to ask is, Shivani, here we can see different vocals. You being versatile as a singer, which is amazing. But how did that happen? Because I know there is a lot of contribution of Meet Bros as well. So yeah.
So that was totally. I didn't know that I had that vocal sound in me. Trust me, until Manmeet and Harmeet, asked me to sing it that way. They said "aise gao," and when I tried it out, they said yes, this is it. ये I think 5-6 dubs के बाद I was able to achieve it. So yeah, and also the music had a lot to do with it. The melody, the lyrics, the music, the way the music it inspires you to sing a certain way. So I got really inspired to sing like that because of the music.
Singing right sometimes is like writing a love letter. You know, you write and then you cut the line and then again you rewrite the line. So till you hit the right chord and the right emotion. So though she's a fabulous singer and the first go also she sings it correctly, but like I said, it's a painting. Sometimes it's just not what you want. It's something different you want, because you can always sound the same, but how you sound differently is what Shivani worked really hard on this track. बारिशों में भी 10-10 बार आई हमारे स्टूडियो में, और she didn't shy away from coming back and making sure that she gives the best vocals. And if you guys really want to enjoy this song in the rains, dim lights करके एक बार अपने गर्लफ्रेंड या बॉयफ्रेंड से झगड़ा करके सुनो, ओ हो क्या मजा आता है. ऐसे कर लेना, किसी भी बहाने से फोन पे करना, किससे बात कर रहे थे, क्यों कर रहे थे, हाउ डेयर यू नॉट कॉल मी ऑल डे करके, उसके बाद ये गाना लगाना, दिल मेरा कल्ला रह गया
कि रांझी दा विछोड़ा पै गया.
बस मेक श्योर कि झगड़ा सीरियस मत कर लेना, नहीं तो बाद में वी डोंट वांट टू बी ब्लेम्ड.
Amazing. I'm sure now we got a reason.
Yeah, I can give you a lot of reasons to fight with your girlfriends and boyfriends.
No, definitely. Okay, talking about the vibe of the song, it's pretty nice. And Shivani, we're seeing you on frame as well. And I want to ask Meet Bros as well that, are you all planning for something good like acting? Is acting on your way?
Wow, I must say that you have an eye to see an actor in us. Nobody really asked us this question, but your questions are very interesting. And hopefully अब आपने हमें मोटिवेट कर दिया है सवाल पूछ के. मनमीत and me have acted with एकता कपूर long back ago, कहानी घर घर की क्योंकि, तो अब कुछ अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट होगी म्यूजिकल तो हम जरूर करेंगे. Why never say never in life. And फिर आपको जरूर याद करेंगे.
धमाकेदार
The lady in
comeback.
pink shirt.
And I'm coming for interview then.
Done.
Definitely coming for interview.
Done. You'll be our.
I think one of your only music video it should be. You all can start from there also.
Done. We would love to. We like positivity and thank you so much.
So in today's generation, a lot of people go through heartbreaks. So how do you tackle with it? Like here in the music video, we saw that the artist was so angry that she just ended up pushing him. This can happen in real life. I'm not saying that it can't, but how do you deal with it?
So Shivani will give her own experience. Simple take to it is, over the last 20 years of being in relationships, one simple word, it's not even like you have to do through a whole meditation course or for months and years you go through some course. It's very simple. The key word is expectations. And I don't say unconditional love and zero expectations. My word is low expectations, which is like 10 to 20%. I define it very clearly. Like for example, respect, honesty and love. These are basic requirements. Other than that, whether your lover is giving you gifts or taking you out or what not, it's, if you keep that expectations out of your way, your relationship is bound to last for a very long time.
Noted.
Noted, yeah.
Noted.
You better apply it from tomorrow.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I am 100% going to apply.
Yeah, very difficult that these days, because of Instagram and so many easy access, people have a lot of expectations, and then easily you can move fast.
Definitely.
But you have, but if you have low expectations, then the person will not go anywhere. Your partner will never go anywhere because you become the best.
True.
Like, where do you get a partner who has, like, oh my God, she never complains or he never complains? So your partner can never leave you only. That's the secret code. Guaranteed, assured.
Relationship would get like less toxic because these days toxicity is really high.
Yeah,
The
absolutely.
percentage of it. How do you deal with heartbreak?
I would call it fights now because heartbreaks to wala zamana to chale gaya.
Good one.
So when best way is to cry it out. You just kind of release and cleanse yourself from all your pain and everything. So जैसे हीर है रोई तो मैं भी रोई.
रो दो.
रो दो बस.
So nice.
That's the way.
बहुत cute लगती है रोते हुए ना. She looks very cute. एक बार रो के दिखाइए ना please.
I'm a very
सुना
हंसमुख.
दो चलो यार, लोगों को रुला दो.
इश्क में तेरे हीर है रोई, दर्द यही है तेरी ना होई. इश्क में तेरे हीर है रोई, दर्द यही है तेरी ना होई. दिल विच रह के दिल तोड़े आते, जांदे जांदे जा भी ले गया कि दिल मेरा कल्ला रह गया कि रांझे दा विछोड़ा पै गया.
मेरा कल्ला रह गया है कि रांझे दा विछोड़ा रह गया कि रांझे दा विछोड़ा पै गया ना ना इंग्लिश पार्ट भी हो ना
You,
Oh, yeah.
you
The
know,
youth likes that.
that was written very beautifully by Manmeet and Harmeet, the lyrics. You know the way my love is. How can you forget what love is? I can't forget how I've been feeling you. You know the way my love is. How can you forget what love is? I can't forget how I miss feeling you.
I love the switch, and I think this is the USP also of the song, right? Where people were not expecting the switch, and it's just
Suddenly the
that. Yeah, that's amazing. And last question to you: how do you deal with heartbreaks? Because we have.
See, pain pain basically comes to a human, to a person, to teach you something. It's the biggest lesson that it leaves you with. And if you allow it to occur a second time, which means you didn't learn the last time, we all are vulnerable, but we are supposed to ideally overcome that vulnerability and be able to be in control of how you want to feel. It should not be up to somebody else to make you feel the way you're feeling. It should be up to you how you want to feel, which only means that, for example, even when COVID came, everybody thought that world is going to die, but we evolved and became better. So whenever there's a low, whenever there's a downer or a pain, that's the only time when a human being learns. So always take it positively. It's come to teach you something. Learn, become better, move on.
Wow. Thank you so much, and it is simply awesome having a conversation with you all. One message to the audience out there.
It was really awesome. It was really awesome to be on Awesome TV, and we all want all the viewers of Awesome TV to watch.
On MB Music, the YouTube channel. Go and like, subscribe, and you'll get to hear a lot of our songs. We're coming up with some amazing content. And on Instagram, also connect with us on Meet Bros Official. And Shivani, what's your
Yes.
Instagram ID?
At Shibani Kashyap. So watch Heer Hai Roi on MB Music, and of course, like, share, love, comment, and all of that.
Meet awesome people with awesome anchors. Thank you so much. Signing
Thank
off.
you.
Thank you so much. All the best, guys.
Thank you, and it is simply awesome once again.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Harmeet.
Hey, I'm Manmeet.
We are the Meet Bros, and you're watching us on Awesome TV.
Hi, this is Shibani Kashyap, and you're watching me on Awesome TV.